Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for coming back and keeping me company. This is a busy Saturday. I have just made my giveaway video. I had a little Causebox spoiler that I'm putting up. I just did my Boxy Lux and now I'm going to do my Boxy Premium. I'm not sure if this is going to go up Sunday or Monday, you know, because you're sitting there watching it, but I'm not sure how it's going to go, but I could not wait 1 second to get in this box. So the beauty of this box is, those of us who get premium, who pay any attention to anything Boxycharm, we know what's in here. We know that this is a full-fledged Fenty box. And we know most of the Fenty products that we're going to get. What we do not know are which colors we're going to receive. And there are some wild colors floating around. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I was so excited when they first said that we were all getting a Fenty box. I use her concealer. I was gonna say I did not have any of these, but I do. I have one of her Matchstix in a very, very dark color that I use sometimes for contour. So I know that I love her products. Opening it up, that is what it looks like. Look, the inside is Boxycharm by Fenty, and that is so cool. I have my paperwork here that will tell us everything that we need to know. Please pardon my nails. I just did a Lux unboxing and we got a Deborah Lippmann duo. And I put one color on each of these nails. Quite fancy. And that's what the inside looks like. How exciting is that, guys? So let's get in here and see what I have. Right off the top, I have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Matchstick Shimmer Skin Stick in Confetti. I don't know what that means. I think it might be the purplish one. That would be awesome because I think that's the lightest one. I really couldn't have hoped for much more than that. There was a bright orange one and I was like, oh, please not bright orange. So let's see. It is the light, this couldn't have worked any better for me. It is the light, very light lavender one. It is so pretty. This is so heavy. And the beauty, I should have brought up my one from downstairs, is if you have multiples of these, they're magnetic and they stick together. So they're really cool. Let's put a little bit of this on here. See if we can make me visible from outer space. It doesn't feel incredibly bright. Oh, when you get close, it's kind of purple. Can you see the purple in it? I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, it's probably not a color that I will use on my cheeks. I have too much eye makeup on, but this would probably be fantastic on your eyes. I could not be more thrilled with this because this color is absolutely the best case scenario for me with these Matchsticks. So the paperwork says Matchstix Shimmer Skin Stick, a magnetized makeup stick in a long wear, light as air shimmer formula to highlight, blush, and enhance. This long wear cream to powder stick, I did not know it was cream to powder, is weightless, blendable, and lives to be layered. Shades may vary, and that's the truth. The MSRP on this is $25. And like I said, that's what the top of it looks like. I could not have gotten a better selection for me. Also, because I didn't go over it in this video, Boxycharm has 3 boxes. The base box, this premium box, and the seasonal Lux box, which this month is the season. Like I said, I just opened that. The base box is $25. You get that every month except for the month that you get your Lux, if you choose Lux. If not, you can get a base box every month. This premium box comes every month regardless. Once you've signed up for it, it is $35. And then if you do the Lux, that is a $50 box. If you have any more questions, let me know below. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. And I have my link below if you'd like to go over and check it out. Let's reach in next and see that I have the Invisimatte blotting paper. Ooh, and that is the machinations of what we're getting into. I definitely do not need this in the winter. I am dry. But in the summer, I could use this, especially when we're out for a long day in the heat. And you know how around your nose or maybe your chin, you get a little shiny? Although I put so much highlighter on now, how do you know whether it's a good shine or a bad shine? It's like a miniaturized version. They make this for wax paper now, you know, in the kitchen, but it's like a miniaturized version of that. That's what it looks like. And look, the top has a little mirror. And you just open that up. And then these are the papers that you put inside. You put the paper in there, and then you just close this like that. and it closes it up on the inside, and then you close this, and then it has a little tear, just like you're tearing saran wrap. It didn't tear so good. And look, perfectly clean to carry in your purse. And you end up with how much ever you've pulled out. I pulled this much, which is more than you would probably ever need, because it had the sticky part where they had it put together. And you, in theory, just push it on. And I, who am not even a little bit oily, can even get it to absorb a little bit. Invisimatte blotting paper. Ultra portable blotting paper that lets you touch up in stealth mode with a super chic refillable mirrored compact that looks like it's a lipstick case. Lift away the shine while leaving makeup perfectly untouched. $16. And again, look how cute that is. This little boop, mirror. Reaching in next, I have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. That sounds fantastic. We all got this in this white clear color. So pretty. Let me just tell you a little bit about this. It is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Illuminizer, the ultimate gotta have it lip gloss with explosive shine that feels as good as it looks. In shade Diamond Milk, a dewy highlight for your lips. Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is the essential finishing touch to your Fenty face. $19. Well, we will swatch just this on the back of my hand so I can show you guys what it looks like. And it's just a gloss with like a lot of highlight to it. See how awesome that looks? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I have the Fenty Beauty Matte Demoiselle, like matte, which is the plush matte lipstick in Candy Venom. I think I got the hot pink that so many people have wanted. Oh my goodness, could I get lucky enough to have gotten the really light highlighter and the pink lippy? Let's see. This is what it looks like on the outside. I did! And this is what it looks like on the inside with the Fenty Beauty in the top, the FB. I feel so lucky. I am telling you guys, this came in like a blue, I mean a dark, dark blue, almost a black brown, dark. The colors were dark and not necessarily colors you think of as lippy colors. Oh, we're putting this on. I'm going to take off what I have on, which all I have on is the Floss lip gloss because that's basically what I've been living in ever since I got some chapped lips a few nights ago. But we're ready for this. That is so wearable. I can't even tell you how lucky I feel right now. Guys, I got such a wearable lip color, and it even makes my teeth look a little white. It's one of those ones that actually Candy Venom. And then we'll put a little bit of this gloss over it, although I have to tell you, I'm a little nervous about getting the pink on my doe foot, but that's all right. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I feel, just a little pink, I feel so lucky. I mean, in the realm of who got lucky, yeah, this girl got lucky. I got the pink lippy and the lightest color matchstick for my super light skin. I'm gonna go ahead and give Boxy the credit. Like, maybe they followed our profiles a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Next, I have the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt, and I think we all got the same color in this. Yeah, it is a really deep gold color called Trophy Wife. I haven't seen it in person yet, so let's go ahead and look at it, and I will make the decision as to whether I'm gonna swipe it. I'll save it for one of you guys. I am going to leave the plastic over it, cover up that mirror to show you guys, because it is gold. And I know a lot of people are going to say, you know what, you could use it as an eyeshadow, and that is completely true. I could use it as an eyeshadow, but you know what, I won't reach for it. I just won't pull for it enough, and I would rather somebody that can use it for its intended use, or somebody that this color eyeshadow would look good on, gets the opportunity to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and close that right back up without swatching it, especially since I got so lucky with the lips and the highlighter, and pass this along. Last but not least, we have the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. $35 for this box, guys. And I know so many people have wanted off the wait list for so long, but I did see quite a few people get off this month. So hopefully a lot of you did. That is gorgeous. Look how pretty that palette is. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Let's open it up. Oh, she is safe and gorgeous. Might as well do away with that plastic because Mama's keeping this shadow palette. This is so pretty. It's a nice mix of mattes and shimmers. I use this to cover the mirror so I can show you guys. Look at those colors. So, so pretty and so wearable. Oh my gosh. You know what? I did not even tell you guys. Let's go back for a second and let me tell you guys that this Kilowatt says that light up where you want, when you want, with this weightless longwear cream to powder hybrid highlighter in the iconic shade Trophy Wife. $36. Yeah, I am definitely not swiping it for $36 because somebody else can enjoy that far more than I will not get $36 of value out of it. While we're doing this, let me tell you about this eyeshadow palette. And this says, Moroccan Spice has 16 richly pigmented shades, serving up a dash of matte, satin, pearl, metallic, and shimmer finishes. $29. That is amazing to me that this entire shadow palette is $29. And this tiny little highlighter, it's not tiny, it's huge compared to, you know, like look at it with my hand, is $39. Interesting. Let's swatch a few colors. Okay, so these are the first 6 colors, and they don't have names in the palette, so I can't tell you any names, but they are really pretty. You lose them kind of in here because they are very white, and I am so white. I always say that. I am so white that it gets very difficult to see. Sorry about that, guys. Maybe, oh, see, better if I pull back. That is these two and that row is what that is. It's swatched very nicely. I did a finger swatch, but it swatched very nicely. Okay, and these 4 are the next row. Please don't judge that little bit of patchiness because I wiped my hand down with a wipe and I'm afraid it didn't dry before I started doing it. But these are gorgeous colors. They're very, very pretty and wearable. It's called Moroccan Spice, I think. So I worried that everything would be super warm, but I think they are completely wearable. Okay, let me swatch the last 6. As I finish up these swatches, I have to tell you, as a matte girl, I am thrilled with the amount of mattes that are in this palette. So happy. And there's something about these that even though they are incredibly warm, look how nice they look with my super blue undertoned skin. They just look gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this palette. So that is the last 6. So one last look. This is what the palette looks like. I cannot believe this is only a $29 palette. It is a gorgeous palette and it's by Fenty. Oh, you know what I just saw? The back. And you know what the back has? The names. Let's see what some of her names are. Moroccan Ice, Evil Genie, Mirage, Desert Baked, Marrakush, Cumin Get It, Spice Trip, Henna C. Henna. See, I think they're super cute. Okay, that is it for the very first, I think I will call this a Boxy takeover because it was a full Boxycharm Fenty box. Again, that's what the inside of the box looked like. So, I mean, they were just like, okay, we're all about the Fenty this month, which is fantastic. And I received the Fenty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, this gloss bomb, and everybody got this color. Everybody got the shadow palette, everybody got that color in the gloss bomb, and everybody got Trophy Wife in the highlighter. Everybody got the matte blotting papers. Everybody received these things also, but they got them in different colors. And that is the Matchstix Shimmer Stick that I got in this very light lavender. which just for the record, I just did the Boxy Lux before this, and I had a Becca shimmer stick in that, and this one just is smooth. The Becca one left me a little bit tacky. This one, not even a little bit. And everyone received a Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick, and I got lucky and got it in the candy pink, which is what I have on now with the lip gloss over it. I think with the lip gloss over it, oh yeah. Yeah, with the lip gloss over it, I just did the corners of my mouth. It is moving already. So yeah, you might not be able to wear the, or I might not be able to wear the lip gloss over it. I think it gives it too much move. It look good even without the lip gloss. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming by the channel. I think that this was a super fun Boxy Premium. I love that they collabed with Fenty. I think it worked great. So the total value, I just did the math, the total value of this Fenty box is $143. And it was our $35 per month Boxy Premium. So another good deal. Let me know below, what do you think about one brand doing an entire takeover? I kind of love that it's makeup. We have been getting so many skincare products from Boxy, from Ipsy, from everybody, that I love that this is a box full of makeup to play with. I keep catching my lips in the mirror and I cannot believe how lucky I got. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to pop over and say hi. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.